guys, welcome back, and welcome if you're new. We are gonna walk through my kitchen. I'm gonna share with you some of my favorite items from Amazon for kitchen organization. So since starting this organizing journey almost a year ago, I can confidently say we are at a really good place with this kitchen. I've made some changes since my last kitchen tour, so if you watched that, there are some changes in here today. And I just want to share with you some items from Amazon that I am loving, that are working for me and my family, that I think you'll love too. So if you are excited, give this video a big thumbs up and let's go ahead and get started. So here's an overview of the kitchen. If you hear snoring, it's just Maggie. But let's go ahead and start. I'm going to kind of go through things by category. And let's start first with all of the different bamboo organizers that I've gotten from Amazon over the last year or so. This is my silverware drawer, and I love this organizer for a couple reasons. The first being that it's expandable, so it is totally customizable depending on your size of drawer. And I love all the different compartments. I'm not somebody that has a million different spoons for different things, but if you are, I really appreciate that. I love this these big compartments on either side. They're great for straws. That's what I use them for, and it's awesome. Moving from over there, in this top drawer is where I keep all of my cooking utensils, and I also have a Ziploc cubby system. Both are bamboo, and if I haven't said this already, I will link all of these items down in my description below under my Amazon kitchen page. But again, same concept, expandable, just larger compartments so you can fit all of your utensils. And this utensil set, they're just silicone. I like the nice black neutral color. I will link these as well. They are from Amazon. But this has been a game changer. I love this little thing. It is, whoever came up with this idea is super smart. My Ziploc bags are organized by size here. And then there's also a compartment for tinfoil, and you can roll it out, cut how much you need, and same for plastic wrap. So both of these bamboo organizers are awesome too. And moving across really quick, the last bamboo organizer I wanted to share is in this drawer, and it is the knife organizer. It is really nice having the knives off of the counter in a drawer, and they stay very organized this way. I can see exactly what I have, and I can pull something out really easily. I usually put my cutting board right here, and this is sort of my cutting prep surface. So I really like that too. So my kitchen has 3 Lazy Susans with the way we kind of designed it. And one of my favorite things I've gotten from Amazon are these Lazy Susan organizers. So they're acrylic, and they make the shape of a circle, and I just have them labeled. This is sort of my pantry, or at least one of them. So you can see I've got condiments, I've got pasta, I've got rice, different things down here, and it really helps what could be a disaster of a Lazy Susan stay organized. And if I ever need to, these pull out pretty easily, so you can just grab what you need or pull the whole thing out, and I love them. It's really a great way to use every square inch of space and help things to stay in order. And on the same topic as sort of pantry organizing and acrylic organizers, another one that I love are these cubby-like stackable organizers. I have this big cupboard down here that I use as kind of my kiddos' snack cupboard / lunch packing. So you can see here, there are the stackable acrylic organizers, and I always just keep these stocked with just little snacks they can grab, granola bars, pretzels, whatever. We primarily use this though for lunch packing, so the kiddos can grab a treat or two for their lunchbox. Another way I love to utilize acrylic organizers is in my refrigerator, specifically in my cheese and deli drawer. So these I think are actually for tea, but they fit in this drawer perfectly. It's just a counter depth French door fridge. I would imagine a lot of the sizing is the same fridge to fridge, but don't don't quote me on that. But these just happen to fit my drawer perfectly, and it helps me to keep all of the snack cheese organized. Again, we use these a lot for packing lunches or just having a snack in the afternoon. It really helps this drawer to kind of be broken up into sections. That way on this side of them, I can keep my cheeses. And then over here, I've got more cheese that's packaged, and I've got some deli meat. So not perfect or Pinterest worthy by any means, but it definitely works and brings a lot of function to this space. And you can find these Anchor glass jar canisters at lots of places, but I purchased mine from Amazon. Another great way to organize baking goods. I love displaying them here on the counter. I think they look really nice. Sort of gives a cozy element, and then with all my white, it's a lot of fun texture too. So that's another Amazon favorite, as well as this basket. It's nothing special, but I did get it on Amazon. I just use it to kind of tuck away. You can't really see it when you're looking into the kitchen, but I use it in this little corner to store our breads and bagels and baked goods. I'm trying really hard not to be all over the place, but let's move on to this area. I've shared this on my channel before, but I want to mention it in this video, of course. This is my spice cupboard. The stackable organizer is bamboo. It's from Amazon. The jars are from Amazon, and then the labels are also from Amazon. And when I tell you that this is the greatest organization project I have ever done, so simple, but I've had this situation since we redid the kitchen in May or June of 21. So it's been over a year now, and it just stays like this. It doesn't get messy, it doesn't get cluttered. I have a couple of extra jars I keep on hand in case I happen to buy a new spice, but I don't buy new spices very often. It's usually just refilling. But one of the main reasons I love these, aside from them being very pretty and aesthetic, is that the lid is really wide. These are wide jars, so you can fit tablespoons in there, you can fit your fingers in there, whatever you need. And then as far as the rest of the cupboard goes, I have more of the glass Anchor jars. These are just smaller ones that I keep my white sugar and brown sugar in. And then up top, those plastic containers are from Amazon, and they're bigger. I like to keep them hidden versus having them out like my other ones. But I love those because they fit on that shelf perfectly, and they come with the scoops, which is really nice. So if you are going to organize a pantry, these are great. So just keep some more baking items in those. So this is definitely my favorite little cupboard here. It stays very organized, and I love all of these items. So I already opened this drawer. This is where the knife organizer was, but these little acrylic cubbies are from Amazon. And this drawer is kind of a hodgepodge, but it works really well for cooking and functionality. When I'm cooking, I'm constantly grabbing measuring cups and spoons and opening cans. So it just kind of works as a working space. It's great. Definitely love these little guys. They have a lot of function. You could put these in a drawer vertically, like this way. I've done that before and used these for like a junk drawer or something. It's great too because they have all the little components. I just keep cutting boards and oven mitts in this drawer. I don't have anything from Amazon in there. But down here, I wanted to share with you guys a couple of things. These are reusable Ziploc bags, and these are awesome. They have a flat bottom, so they stand. So if you want to put them in the refrigerator or something, they work really well. They're dishwasher safe, and I love them. I love them. I use them all the time. And then these are another recent Amazon favorite. I know these aren't really organization items, but they do help me to stay organized to an extent. These are Tupperware. I'm gonna try to show you with one hand. Definitely not the most professional here. Take the lid off, that will help. But they pop out and, you know, store in your fridge or wherever you need them to. But it's so nice when they collapse. They save so much space, and they have been awesome. These are little kind of bento boxes for my kiddos' lunch. I can link those too. Those are from Amazon. And moving to this side of the stove, this is the cabinet that I keep all of my cooking ingredients in, my oils, my vinegars, my soy sauce, my honey, like all that kind of stuff. And you know, instead of reaching to the back and always fumbling through, I have 3 Lazy Susan turntables that work perfectly. I keep things I like very rarely use up there. There's actually a 4th one that I don't have anything in simply because that's just not functional. But yeah, I love this because you can get to the back, you can see everything that you have. It's all very accessible, and it helps it to just stay more orderly. It's easier to grab when you're in the middle of making supper. I love it. I actually got my mom onto these when she moved. I helped her organize her kitchen, and she got 6 of these for a big cupboard like this to put her spices and ingredients like this on. This is also great for a laundry room or in your pantry or really anywhere, under a bathroom sink too. I have one of these under my bathroom sink. So definitely an item that you can use for a lot of things. The last couple of things here in this cabinet. This is actually one of my favorite kitchen essentials from Amazon. These little mug hooks. So these slide on and off. You don't have to adhere them or screw them in. It's a great way to save space. If you were in an apartment or in a smaller house and you were limited on cabinet space, I would definitely recommend these. I actually use them for just organization. I find that my mugs stay so much more in order. I don't have to dig around to find a mug that I like. I can see everything that I have easier, so they're great. The other item that I really love in this cabinet from Amazon is this water bottle holder. It's acrylic, it holds 6 water bottles, and it's awesome because, you know, we all have those random water bottles and they're tall. They don't fit right, you know? So being able to slide them horizontally, but still being able to see them, they don't roll around. I keep the lids on them, really helps them to stay more organized. A lot of my dishes, like my real plates and dishes, are either in my hutch or in my glass panes. So in my cabinets, my closed cabinets, it's kind of where I keep my random, everyday, not so pretty stuff. But this cabinet is for plastic plates and paper plates. And this is actually a lid organizer from Amazon, but I use it for all of my kiddo plates, and it works really well. I can see everything. It creates this nice vertical appearance, and it helps me to keep everything in order. I feel like things don't get all crazy and mumble jumbled with it. It stays really organized. I like that I can visually see it all and see what I have. So this is great. This would be great for Tupperware lids, for pot lids, for any kind of plastic or paper plates. Definitely recommend. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you enjoyed just a casual look into my kitchen and seeing some of my favorite Amazon kitchen organization items. These items really help me to keep things in check and help keep my kitchen a space that I love. If you liked today's video, do me a favor and give it a big thumbs up or share it with a friend. That really helps my channel out. I love you guys. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching. And don't forget to check out the link down in the description below for all of these items. And I will see you really soon in the next one. Bye.